太熱啦 It's too hot here. That's why it starts to rain all of a sudden. This few days is the hottest day in New York. 太熱啦，落場雨啦，即刻爭好遠啊！